Every system you use today, from your phone to the bus you ride to school, didn't just appear overnight. Systems are designed, adapted, and improved over time in response to the needs of people and the challenges of society. When you look at the history of technology, you can see that systems evolve the same way living things do, step by step, shaped by trial, error, and innovation. Take the printing press as an example. Before it was invented in the 1400s by Johannes Gutenberg, books had to be copied by hand, which was slow and expensive. The printing press introduced movable type, making it possible to create many copies quickly. This transformed communication, education, and society itself. Over time, the system was upgraded with faster presses, then digital printers, and now entire printing systems that can print books, newspapers, and 3D models at incredible speeds. Each stage of the timeline shows how social needs, like spreading information or lowering costs, pushed the system to evolve. Or consider the telephone. When Alexander Graham Bell first got its patent in 1876, the system was basic. Sound was carried across a wire, from one person to another. But people wanted clearer sound, longer distances, and faster connections. Over time, switchboards, radio signals, satellites, and digital networks transformed the system into what we now call the smartphone. A device that's not only a phone, but also a camera, computer, GPS, and more. At every step, the system changed because society demanded new ways to connect. The same is true for systems in farming, transportation, and construction. Farm machinery evolved from hand tools, to plows pulled by animals, to tractors, to today's GPS-guided machines. Transportation evolved from walking, to wagons, to steam trains, to electric cars. Systems are always influenced by both scientific discoveries and the needs of people. Understanding the timeline of a system helps us see not just the machines themselves, but the social factors that influence them. The push for efficiency, the demand for safety, the desire for speed, or the pressure to save costs. So here's your challenge. You're going to create a timeline poster for one system of your choice. It could be communication, like the telephone or internet. Transportation, like trains or cars. Farming, like plows or harvesters. Or any other system that has changed significantly over time. Your timeline should show at least 4 key stages in the system's development, with dates or approximate time periods, and a short explanation of what changed and why. To complete this project, you'll need to do the following. First, choose a system that interests you and has a clear history of development. Next, research or brainstorm at least 4 important stages in its timeline, noting the approximate dates and what changed. Then, design your poster so the stages are laid out in order, with visuals or symbols to represent each step. After that, write a short explanation for each stage that connects the technological change to the social or practical need it addressed. Finally, make your poster neat, colorful, and organized so that someone looking at it could quickly understand how and why the system evolved. By the end of this project, you'll see that systems don't just change because of new inventions. They evolve because people's needs and society's demands push them forward. Your poster will tell the story of progress and show how science, technology and human life are always linked.